Hi lovely, welcome back to Bloom Boom. Yesterday I did a peel, so today's routine is all about barrier support and gentle nourishment. I like to start by braiding my hair and sliding on a headband. It's simple, but it helps me settle in, creating space to connect with the senses. The warmth of the water, the textures of each product, all part of the ritual that tells my body it's time to reset, it's time for care. Before cleansing, I press a warm microfiber cloth against my face. The heat feels grounding like a soft hug, while the woven fibers gently lift away the night prior. That warmth softens the skin and makes the cleanse more effective. Today I'm using the Anua Powder Cleanser. It's compact, preservative-free, and perfect for keeping things gentle when my focus is barrier support. I wash thoroughly, but I never let cleanser sit too long. It's here to clean, not to strip. Every choice is about balance, enough to refresh without disturbing the barrier. Every other day after a peel, I like to use a liquid exfoliant. It keeps my skin's renewal steady, and it also is still kind to the skin. I like to pour it into my hands for environmental reasons, yet I also like the direct touch. Pressing it in feels more natural and intentional. I tap it in with my fingertips. This wakes up the skin and supports lymphatic flow, helping with puffiness and circulation. Then I let it air dry for a moment. Keeping the skin slightly damp means the next product can sink in more deeply. It's a small step, but layered with intention. Here I'm working with the blend of Batana, Castor Oil, and a few drops of frankincense. Batana is rich in fatty acids that soften texture, restores elasticity, and brings back a natural glow. Castor oil locks in moisture and strengthens the barrier, which creates protection against dryness. And frankincense is calming, healing, and grounding. I like to warm the oils between my palms so it spreads evenly. Pressing them across my face and neck feels like the first drink of nourishment. It's both protective and calming. Working over the forehead and temples is especially grounding. These movements ease tension where stress hides, while guiding fluid along lymphatic pathways. Along the cheeks and jaw, the focus is on softening. Circulation improves, tightness melts, and the face begins to feel lighter. I always give attention to the neck, since it's key for keeping drainage moving and clearing puffiness. I mirror the same rhythm on the other side, slow and intentional. Lymphatic massage isn't about pressure, it's about consistency. And with whatever remains, I smooth the oils onto my chest, hands, and even my elbows. These areas tell the story of care and age just as much as the face, and they deserve the same love. This part always feels like deep nourishment for the barrier, for circulation, and for me. I begin with Miracle Clear Barrier Cream. It has the feel of a moisturizer, light and breathable, but its focus is barrier health. Pressing it in feels like that first layer of comfort after a peel. It sinks in quickly, cushioning my skin without any weight. When your barrier feels fragile, this kind of hydration restores balance without overwhelming. After receiving chemical peels, I do like to layer multiple forms of barrier protection. So on top of that, I'll use the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Advanced Repair. This one is richer and a little heavier, but it's made to lock everything in and protect throughout the day. Together, the two feel like a double embrace. The Miracle Clear lays down comfort and the Kiehl seals it in with strength. That layering keeps moisture in, shields against dryness, and gives the barrier time to repair. This step always feels like the reset point. Skin calm, resilient, and ready to face the world again. Don't forget your sunscreen.